This is the DVD commentary of your visualization. We just want to show you where we're at so far. This is basically having all the data parsed and represented in a visualization. What we're going to do is start to show you the semantics of your data set. We're going to move out from, say, a node in your data, and all nodes will have different types of data in here, from operative procedures to person, places, and things. This is a generic data set, so we're going to expand person here. And in the current data set, there's three types of people. There's consultants, GPs, and patients. If we expand patients out in this semantic network, you can see all the patients that are in your data set. And for any one patient, we're able to move them around on the screen and start to lay out the scene. So we'll move them over here to the left. And we'll now start looking at our GPs in the data set and our consultants. We'll put them over here. You can see a few consultants there. And I just want to point out here that this is not the final visualization. I just wanted to, this is more of a checkpoint of where we're at. And this will have more functional screens. So we're building up some other things as well here now. So now we'll expand time. And we have two types of time. We have events and dates. Inside of events, we have a few types of events. We have operation events, APCS meetings, GP meetings, and outpatient appointments. If we expand the event operations, you can start to see the relations in the data sets now, where we have a consultant is involved in these operation events, and when we roll over an operation event, you can see that obviously now we're connecting a patient to a consultant, as there's a relationship there. And as we move around the patient circle, we're finding the different operation events. In a similar way, patients and GPs are related by GP meetings. If we expand to GP meetings, you can see the web of relations going there as well. And as you go over certain GPs or consultants, you can see certain ones have higher valence or connections than others as they're busier in the day. We have the ability to configure consultants or any of these collections both linearly or in a ring. And if we're in a ring view, we can expand the ring or contract the ring. And then we can start to lay them out and start to look at the flows and events as they move through the system. On the bottom, we have a timeline that's showing the state of the system. We're here in March and April 2nd here. And we're moving the patients around, and we've now unconstrained them from the ring and watching them now as they're being attracted to their GPs as they're going to different meetings, and there'll be different attraction and repulsion algorithms are driving the visualization. Just reiterating right now, this is kind of the mechanics behind the scenes. Nothing here yet is kind of the final visualization. So I don't expect you to see any useful patterns in this just yet. Just wanted to kind of give you a status of where we're at. And I think if you reference on the same website, the Florida visualization I saved to a video. So if you are showing it to the design team, you can kind of reference here kind of a more finished project, whereas this is kind of more in the middle stages. So we'll just do some a little bit more clicking here. And with that, Josh, do you want to add anything? Any other features at this point?
No, there's like Steve said, this is simply the bringing in of all the data into the tool and making it a lot more flexible for future work. we still have to produce the various streams that will be coming
Okay.
shortly.
And if you look on the website too, we'll put up a web application, I mean a Windows version of this that you can try running locally. The main question would be just to see if you can get it to launch. Instructions will follow on how to actually manipulate it as we add those controls. All right, thanks guys.